and welcome to the live webinar of Dean Infotech. So as you all know, we come up with a new webinar every month, sometimes on Salesforce or on web or app development. And if you have missed any of our webinar, you can go to our YouTube channel and watch them for free. We have come a long way and a big credit goes to our audiences. And this time too, we are back again with another insightful session that promises to develop our understanding on a crucial topic in software development. So the topic for today is bug reporting. In this session, we'll learn how to create a clear, concise and actionable bug reports that helps our developer to fix the issue. And to guide us through this topic, we are delighted to have Versha Rajput, a senior quality analyst at Dean Infotech, with a rich background of identifying, documenting and resolving software bugs. Versha has been an instrumental in ensuring the delivery of high quality products to our clients. So get ready to gain valuable insights into our bug reporting, learn best practices and discover how a good bug report can enhance the overall quality of your software projects. So I don't want to wait a lot and let me introduce Versha to all of you. Hello Versha. Thank you so much for joining us today and welcome to the webinar. We are absolutely delighted to have you here with us and we are looking forward for this engaging and informative session.
Thank you for the warm welcome. I am excited to share my knowledge and insights about bug reporting with everyone here.
Great. So before we start the session, a reminder to all our audiences. As always, we encourage active participation from you all. So don't feel shy and feel free to ask your questions using the Q&A feature in the webinar. We'll address your queries during a dedicated Q&A session at the end of this webinar. Okay? So also, before we embark on this webinar, allow me to share something noteworthy about Dean Infotech too. Dean Infotech has been at the forefront of the technology landscape, serving business providers worldwide with innovative solutions. With a rich history of excellence, Dean Infotech has firmly established itself a trusted partner for web, app and Salesforce development. Our influence spans across the globe, encompassing our clients in United States, United Kingdom, Australia and India. With an impressive legacy in the industry, we have constantly delivered exceptional services, earning the trust of our many clients. Yet what truly distinguishes us is our extraordinary team of over 150 skilled professionals. They are a collective group of technology enthusiasts working together to push innovations and helps us delivering quality projects. So that's all from my side. So without further delay, let me allow everyone to embark on this thrilling journey and explore some depths on this subject matter. Over to you, Versha.
Thank you. Let's start with the webinar now. So our topic is writing effective bug reports. So in this topic, we will cover introduction to bug reporting, key elements of a bug report, prioritizing and categorizing bugs, using a screenshot and attachment effectively, reproducibility and testability, writing a clear and concise bug description, incorporating user impact in bug reports, collaborating with development teams, writing bug reports for different types of issues, understanding the bug lifecycle, best practices for bug report documentation, case studies and example. So let's move to introduction to bug reporting. Bug. What is bug? Bug is an error detected in the development environment during testing stage. And what is bug report? A bug report is a written report that provides details on a software error or malfunction. Usually, it contains information on how to replicate the problems, what behavior is expected, and what behavior is actually observed. Next is introduction to bug reporting. Importance of clear and detailed bug reports. Role of bug reports in STLC. So first one is importance of clear and detailed bug reports. Clear and detailed bug reports are the foundation of effective communication between QA testers and development teams. They provide a roadmap for developers to understand, reproduce, and fix the issues efficiently. Role of bug reports in software development lifecycle. Bug reports play a crucial role in our software development lifecycle by serving as a bridge between testers and developers. They guide the development process, ensuring that identified issues are addressed promptly. There is some key element of a bug report, like title and summary, description of the issues, step to reproduce the bug, expected versus actual result, environment details, etc. After this webinar and at the end of this webinar, I will show you the bug report format, how we can write test cases, description, etc. So first one is title and summary. The title should succinctly capture essence of bug, while summary provides a brief overview. These elements are vital for good identification and prioritization. Second is description. Description of the issue. A comprehensive description outlines the problem in detail. Include information on what happened, what is going on, what is occurred, and any relevant context that aids understanding. Third is step to reproduce. In this section, we write the steps how we reproduce any bug. Step by step introduction on replicating the issue and essential for developers to identify the root cause and validate fixes. Next is expected versus actual result. Expected versus actual result uh, is play most important role in our bug report format, because the difference between expected and actual is the status of our bug, which is open or closed. So in this, clearly state what was expected and what actually occurred. This helps in understanding the deviation from the expected behavior. Environment details. What is environment details? Include information on the testing environment, such as operating system, browser version, model, and any other relevant configuration details about our system. This is environment details. Let's move forward. Next is prioritizing and categorizing bugs. First is understanding severity and priority level. Second, impact analysis on user and system. Third is categorizing bugs for efficient trials. So, severity indicates the impact on the system, while priority reflects the urgency of fixing. In understanding severity and priority levels, these level acts in efficient bug trials and resolution. Impact analysis on user and system. Assessing the impact on end user and system functionality guide the prioritization process, ensuring critical issues are addressed promptly. Third one is categorizing bug for efficient trials. Categorizing bugs based on the nature. Example functionality, performance, security, etc. Streamlines the trials process, enabling teams to prioritize and assign tasks effectively. So there are many types of severity and priorities. Let's discuss on severity and priority. So the severity is four types and priority are three types. First, we can discuss on severity of bug. There are four types. First one is critical, major, medium, and last one is low. So critical. In the critical, the defect indicates complete shutdown of the process. Nothing happened in critical severity of bug. Nothing can process further. Next one is major. So in major, it is a highly severe defect and collapse the system. However, certain parts of the system remain functional. It means something is working on major and many thing is not working. But there is no complete shutdown like critical. Third one is medium. It caused some undesirable behavior, but the system is still functional. System is functional well, but some undesirable behavior we find. Last one is low. It will not cause any major breakdown of the system. They has no major impact on our system, client at all. Now we come to priority. There are three types of priority: low, medium, high. In low, the defect is an irritant but repair can done once the more serious defect has been fixed. Second is medium. During the normal course of the development activities, defect should be resolved. It can wait until a new version is created. High priority of bugs. The defect must be resolved as soon as possible as it affects the system severely and cannot be used until it is fixed. So, got my point? Next is using screenshots and attachments effectively. How we can use screenshot, attachments, etc. in our bug report. So, first is importance of visual documentation. Visual documentation provide a quick understanding of the problem. Screenshot, videos, annotated images can significantly enhance the bug report. Second is annotating screenshots. Annotations on screenshots help highlight specific areas on element related to the bug. Aiding developers in quickly identifying the issue. Third one is attaching relevant files and logs. In attaching relevant files and logs or additional information to provide developers with comprehensive data for debugging and fixing the bug. So let's move next slide. Reproducibility and testability. Providing clear steps for reproduction. Identifying non-reproducible issue. Technique for making bugs more testable. In providing clear steps for reproduction, well-defined steps to reduce the bug are essential for developers to replicate the and understand the issues. Second is identifying non-reproducible issues. Recognizing challenges in reproducing certain bugs is crucial. Communicating the condition under which the issue occur and any potential environment factor. Technique for making bugs more testable. Discuss method to make bugs more testable, such as isolating variable or providing specific input data. Next is writing a clear and concise bug description. Articulating the problem statement. Clearly articulate the problem statement, avoiding ambiguous language. A concise and focused description explains the resolution process. Next is avoiding ambiguous and vague language. Vague language can lead to misunderstandings. Provide precise details and use industry standard terminology to convey the issue accurately with our development teams. Using descriptive language and terminology. Third one is utilize descriptive language to convey the bug nature and impact. Aligning terminology with the development team ensure a shared understanding. Incorporating user impact in bug reports. They also are three types: identifying and communicating user impact, describing scenario where the bugs occur, quantifying the severity of user experience issues. First is identifying and communicator user impact. In this, clearly communication how the bug affect end user, including scenarios where the issues may causes inconvenience or disruption. Second is describing scenarios where the bug occur. Provide real world scenarios or use cases where the bug manifests. This context aids developers in understanding the practical implications. Last is quantifying the severity of user experience issues. Use severity levels to quantify the impact on user experience, helping prioritize fixes based on the severity or potential issues. These three are for incorporating user impact in bug reports. Next is collaborating with development teams. How we can collaborating our development teams. Building effective communication channels. In this, establish clear channel for communication between QA and development teams, whether through project management tools or direct communication. Fostering collaboration is key. Second is providing additional information on bug report. Encourage tester to proactively provide additional information that may assist developers, fostering a collaborating environment. Utilizing collaboration tools and platforms. Explore collaboration tools and platforms that streamline communication and the sharing of information between teams, internal or external teams. Writing bug reports for different types of issues like UI UX bugs, functional bugs, performance issues, securities, vulnerabilities. UI UX bugs. What is UI UX bugs? This is basically designing issues. Discuss considerations specific to user interface and experience issues, emphasizing the impact on user satisfaction. Next is functional bug, where any function is not working properly. Address best practices for reporting functional bugs, focusing on the discrepancy between expected and actual system behavior. Third is performance issues, where any any code is not performed like requirement. Explore strategies for documenting and reporting performance related bugs, considering factors such as response time and system load. Security vulnerabilities. What is security vulnerabilities? Highlights the critical nature of security related bugs and provide guidance on reporting vulnerabilities responsibly. Understanding the bug life cycle. Bug trials and assignment, monitoring bug progress, closure and resolution verification. Bug trials and assignment. Describe the initial step in bug trials where issues are assessed, categorized, and assigned based on the severity and priority. Next is monitoring bug progress. Discuss the importance of ongoing monitoring to ensure bugs are actively addressed and resolved within the established timeline. Next is closure and resolution verification. Explore the closure process, including resolution verification to confirm that the bug has been successfully fixed. It means the bug has been successfully closed. Next is best practices for bug report documentation. Keeping bug reports up to date properly, using templates for consistency, providing feedback on bug resolution. Emphasize the importance of regularly updating bug reports with new information, status changes, or additional information. Using templates for consistency. Recommend the use of standardized templates to maintain consistency across bug reports, making it easier for developer to extract essential information. Third is providing feedback on bug resolution. Encourage tester to provide feedback on bug resolution, closing the loop and facilitating the continuous improvement. Let's move on bug report format. How we can report a bug and what is the actual format of bug reporting. So here we can add some basic details about our project like project name, testing device, testing browser, creation date, tester name. So here we can pick the title issue with product return on Amazon. User want to return product on Amazon. So first one is title, second is ID. IDP unique for every title or every test case scenario. Each ID is different. We can use here Amazon hyphen return hyphen 001. Reported date, reporter name, severity, medium, low, high, priority, high, critical, whatever. Status, open or closed. Is if status is closed here, then we can change the color red to green. Next is product detail. We can add here product details like product name, order number, seller name. Next is description. Description is unable to initiate a return for the phone case order on Amazon. Phone case is our product return product. Next is step to reproduce the bug. So there is 5 steps for reproduce bug. First is log in to the Amazon account. Second is go to your order section. Third is select the product. Fourth is click on the return and replacement option. And fifth and last is encounter an error or issue preventing return initiation. Next is expected result. The system should allow the user to initiate the return for the specified project. And next is actual result. Expected and actual result is most important field of our bug report format. The difference between actual and expected result is our status or bug, which is open or closed. So actual result is unable to proceed with the return due to a system error or issue. So here expected and actual result did not match. That's why our status is open. If actual and expected result are same, then the status of our bug is closed. Okay, let's move. Next one is attachment. So in attachment field, we can use screenshots of the error message encountered during the return process. Screenshot, file, anything we can use in attachment section. Last is additional note. We can use additional note according to the bug or so in additional note, this issue persists even after multiple attempts and across different browser devices. So here we can add uh, we can test this function on multiple devices or multiple browsers. So we can add in additional notes. I hope you understand that this is our bug report format. Thank you.
Wow, what an amazing webinar. I guess I would like to first say a huge thank you, Varsha, for sharing your industry insights and your years of experience with our audiences and making bug report feel like a breeze. And we hope that you have found this session as informative and fun as we did. And also, I can see a lot of burning questions in the Q&A section. So, let's kick off by addressing these questions, Varsha.
Yeah, sure.
Great. So, the first question is, what is the purpose of a test case?
Okay. Purpose of test cases define the input, basically execution, condition, and expected outcome for specific test scenarios. Test cases serve as a guide for tester to ensure the application functions correctly under various conditions.
Okay, so the next question is, how do you handle a situation where a bug is not reproducible?
Okay. Uh, we can document the step takers to reproduce the issue and gather addition information if possible, like our bug report format. We can communicate effectively with the development teams, providing details and collaborating to identify potential costs and solution.
Okay, I guess that's all the question we had. And if you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below. We'll get back to you with the answers for sure. And also, I would like to thank you, Varsha, for dedicating your time and sharing your valuable insight in this informative webinar. Your expertise and contribution have made this session undoubtedly a remarkable learning experience for all of us. And at last, I would like to express my gratitude to all the viewers who have stayed connected and actively participated in this webinar, and I encourage you to show your support by liking and sharing the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel.
I'm glad it was helpful. Remember, clear communication is the key to efficient bug fixing. By following these practices, you can ensure your reports are actionable and help you in a smoother testing process. Thank you all.
Great. So once again, thank you everyone for your involvement and enthusiasm. We look forward seeing you in our next webinar. Till then, bye bye.